Yes, is this lost property?
Yes.
It is.
Oh, good. Yesterday afternoon, a taxi we were getting into decided he didn't want to take us and drove off with a gift in his car. And I rang up to try car 125 to get the gift back, but I was told that he didn't have to bring it to us, and I want my gift back.
Who told you that he didn't have to give it back?
The girl who told me that the manager would be back in probably 15 minutes, and when I rang back, they'd already finished work. And I can't remember her name, of course.
That's disgusting.
Yes,
That's disgusting.
so, yeah,
So it was TX125.
yes.
Yeah, that's like it.
He didn't get out of the car to help us pack our stuff in, so my daughter's pregnant and my son's disabled, and my daughter got angry at him, and so he said get out of the taxi, and so we were getting stuff out and that, and the gift was left in the boot, I think, and I think that's where it was put because we didn't have it, and he drove off, and I've heard nothing since. They said they'd ring back, nobody rang back after, yeah.
Because they're all useless.
And yeah, I just rang this morning to order a taxi again and thought I'd ask, and they said they'd put me through to lost property. Well, it's not lost because the man would have got a message, I'd imagine, to say that it's in his car.
What kind of gift was it? Was it wrapped?
Yeah, it was
Bag?
wrapped and in a Peter Alexander bag, so it's not a cheap sort of.
Yeah, it's not cheap.
No.
And it was in the boot.
Yes, it was gift wrapped and in a Peter Alexander bag also.
Where's the bed?
Are you going to be home today?
Yes.
What is your address?
Unit 22 of 7 Elvire Place, ELVIRE Place, Palmerston. But the pickup job where it happened was at the, what's the football team?
The Raiders Club in
Football
Gungahlin.
Club at
Yep.
Gungahlin
Gungahlin FC.
Marketplace there.
Yep, that's like it.
That's when it happened, and we had to catch a different taxi then.
And it's off service.
Okay. And what was your name?
Leanne. But I booked it under James' last name.
No, that's okay. Leanne, what's your best contact number?
62557 669. That's our home number.
Yep. No, that's okay. I am going to find out who was driving 125 yesterday
Driving.
Yeah.
and query them about that present. And if it is in the car, I'm going to get them to drop it to your place.
Thank you. I'd really appreciate that.
No worries. I will let you know. But we close at 2 o'clock today, so
Oh, right. Okay.
yeah, I'll let you know before then.
Thanks so much. I really appreciate it, the help you're giving me.
Yeah, no worries.
Thanks. Okay.
All right. Thanks, Leanne.
Bye.